Do you enjoy going to the park? Have you ever experienced issues in accessing the park?
Going to park is a very important part of my daily routine. A few years ago, I sprained my ankle and had to walk in crutches for a month. That is when I realized public urban places are not well designed for people with disabilities. Of course, I couldn't go to the park with crutches.
Noriko-san had faced this issue for just a month. But what about people with disability who have faced this for their entire lives?
We should ensure that public parks are inclusive and allow everyone to breathe and enjoy.
According to the World Health Organization, every person should have access to a minimum of 9 square meters of green space. Yet, we know that is not happening.
In Bangalore itself, it's only 2.2 square meters per person.
If the numbers bog you down, we just request you to imagine one thing.
What if you go to a park with your friends or family members with disability and realize they couldn't even move around?
Why? Simply because the way the park was planned. Now imagine yourself in a scenario.
No shaded areas in the park, making it too hot for older people or those with medical condition to enjoy.
Maybe your neighborhood park don't have ramp access, so your father with wheelchair cannot have access to it.
Maybe there weren't enough toilets, or the ones available weren't accessible to everyone.
Would it not be wonderful if you could check out beforehand how inclusive a park is based on the experience of others?
That's why we developed ParkAble. We took international as well as local standards for inclusive and accessible urban public spaces and derived a criteria for evaluating existing parks in India.
ParkAble is a tool that can analyze publicly available big data on the parks about these particular criteria.
ParkAble can help people with disabilities to navigate parks more efficiently. These insights can also help urban designers to ensure accessibility of parks.
ParkAble insert this rating into Google reviews for parks with the greatest public reach.
People with disabilities can check the review provided by ParkAble before they decide whether they want to visit Cuban Park or Lalbagh Botanical Garden on their next outing.
In the next months, we would be bringing ParkAble to more cities across India and Japan, hoping to make parks accessible across the world.
We are Civic Listening.
We are building new ways of analyzing, listening, and acting on inequality in urban spaces.
Please join us in our project to create more livable cities.